for you, but this is a little bit different unboxing. I have never received this box before. I kept seeing ads on Facebook for a company called Beachly, and their subscription boxes, they're quarterly, so there's only 4 a year, and they're like beach, ocean themed, and I was hoping that this box would come before a trip to Jamaica, but it did not. But that's okay because I do have other beach vacations planned for later this year, fingers crossed. So I wanted to order this box because there is a beach cover-up that I really wanted. So this is the box. The box, I don't know if you can tell, but kind of got demolished in the mail. The box is $99.95, I believe. There was a coupon code online, so I paid $83.95 with shipping. But let's just dig in and see what's inside. Alright, so here's the inside. It says, "Hello Sunshine. By ordering this box, you've helped keep a beach clean and pristine. Big thanks for supporting us and our partners. Heal the Bay. As always, don't forget to reuse or recycle." So here is like a little brochure, I'm wondering. This is the beach cover-up that I wanted, so hopefully it's inside. Oh, and it tells you all about what's inside. So I'm not gonna look at that yet, but here is what it looks like, a cute little sticker. Oh wow. Okay, so here are the items, and just by first glance, my favorite color is pink, so I'm already really excited. Okay, so here's the first item. It says Poppin' Bottles. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It says it's a bottle opener. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's so cute. So it's like a little palm leaf, palm frond, I guess. And it is a bottle opener. It's kind of like silicone. This is really nice for the beach, although you shouldn't really have glass bottles to like pop open at the beach. But even to have like an extra one to put outside, I really kind of like that for the patio. Next, I'm gonna grab this. I believe these are sunglasses. The brand is Rain, I think it is, R-A-E-N. Let's look. Oh wow. So they are square and they're tortoise sunglasses. I'll go ahead and put them on. Oh, I like these. So I do generally wear Ray-Bans. I have a couple pairs of Ray-Bans that I absolutely love, but I do like to get kind of less expensive sunglasses to wear in the pool or at the ocean particularly. So I think these are really nice and will fit the bill. I think they fit my face nicely, so I'm pretty happy with them. This is kind of what I ordered this for. I'm gonna go ahead and open this because it's gonna be loud. All right, here it is. So it's like one big square of fabric, you know, but then you can cinch the waist in. It has a nice belt with these cute little white tassels. I love the pink color, and then, you know, it has like the, I guess we'll call it like the flappy sides, you know, so it's sewn up. Super cute, and at the end on the sides it also has tassels. Like, to me, this is exactly why I got the box. I think it'll be perfect for the pool or for the beach. I love this, love this. This is exactly what I wanted. Next is some sunscreen, and it is by, I think it's supposed to be Protect. I think that's what it is, Protect. SPF 30 mineral sunscreen. Always need sunscreen, so definitely get use out of that. And then there is the same brand lip balm, SPF 15 Protect. I love the lip balms that have the SPF in it, especially if you're going to be out in the sun all day. You really need that. That's great. I bet you my husband's going to steal this from me. Then there are these 3 little masks. They are from the brand Kopari, which I have never heard of. They're all 3 coconut detox masks, which are nice after you've been out in the sun. I've had a little bit of sun. I did wear a lot of sunscreen, but we just got back from Jamaica, so I will definitely use these in the next couple of days to kind of refresh my skin. And then the last item in the box is this, which I believe is a like towel. It's by the brand Sand Cloud. It says, "Save the fishies. Every product purchase helps our effort to preserve the beautiful marine life that inspired the beginning." I have never, it says made in Turkey, so I think this is like a Turkish towel that you can use as like a wrap or a beach, yeah, or a scarf. Oh wow, that's huge. So rather large. It's really cute. I actually think that I would probably wear it. We live in Michigan, so like in the winter, like as a scarf. I think it's really cute, but I think that it's also to be used as a beach towel. I personally love like terry cloth towels, but I definitely will get use out of this. I love that it matches this, so I could kind of like coordinate and look cute together with it. I think that this will be super cute as a scarf, just like this in the spring, especially with the colors, or even in the winter when I want to just brighten things up. Okay, so that's everything in my box. So this was the summer 2020 box, and it kind of goes over what everything is. The Gilman sunglasses retailed for $150. The Tropical Escape Turkish towel retails for $44. Okay, so the description says, this isn't just another pretty towel, but the authentic Turkish towel dries 3 times faster than your average towel, gets softer and more absorbent with every wash, and repels sand. So that's kind of cool. Then the detox mask, the retail price is $5. The cover up, the retail price is $98. The Poppin' Bottles bottle opener was $10. And then the sunscreen and the lip balm, the sunscreen was $18 and the lip balm is $5. So that's the value of the items in the box. I always think that they inflate the value a little bit, but considering I only paid $83 for this box, $84 for this box, I think I got a pretty good deal. I probably will continue my subscription at least for one more box because I love these kind of beach items, especially when we go on beach vacations in the winter when it's harder to find these beach items. Tell me in the comments below, have you ever received a Beachly box before? Which of the items that I received was your favorite, and what do you think? Should I get another one? Because I did really like the items. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.